Hi everyone, my name is Shan. Welcome to our channel Try to DIY. Today we're gonna do that. This is leftover wood from previous project. We're gonna use this to build a coat hanger. Alright, let's start. I need my material to be as wide as it is thick, so I will need to rip it to 3 centimeters width. But first I need to cut it to length using my miter saw. I'm ripping the main body of the hanger to its final width. I've made extra just in case I mess something up, which is often the case. Now let's do a bunch of arms. Just to make sure we're on the same page, our hangers consist of 1 body and 3 arms. I'm cutting those arms at a 45-degree angles. I'm roughly outlining the notches that I'm going to make for the arms to sit in. Not only it will look cool, but it will also add strength to the hanger. This scribble here indicates what needs to be removed. For this notch, I have to keep my workpiece at a 45-degree angle. And as you can see, I made a quick and easy jig that helps to hold it in the right position. My table saw blade could not make a clean cut all the way into the corner, so the chisel is your friend here. Then I finally got a nice fit. I'm cutting the other end of the arms at a 45-degree angle to give it a modern look. Same thing with the main body of the hanger, but at a 30-degree angle this time. I pre-drill and countersink the holes to make sure the hanger can sit flush against the wall later on. Now it's time for the glue up. I came back an hour later after the glue dried to fill up the small gaps with some wood filler, just to make the imperfect perfect. If you don't have any wood filler, you can mix your own using glue and sawdust. I came back a few hours later to sand every tiny corners, just enough to get down the excess of wood filler. We really like this stain. It brings out the grain of the wood. It also gives a serious and modern look to your workpiece. For the finishing, I'm using a generic clear coat finish that protects the wood. We need 6 of those metal keyhole hangers, and since we are currently in quarantine due to the coronavirus, all stores are closed. We decided to make our own using a sheet of aluminum. It definitely won't be as sturdy as the real thing, but for this project it will be good enough. Camille is helping me since there's quite a few of those to make. Also, she does a much better job than I do. I need to cut a groove for the small metal keyhole hanger, and then another groove in that groove to give enough space for a screw head. We are placing those hangers on a drywall using drywall anchors. So depending on where you want to hang your hangers, make sure to use the right tools.
And that's it. If you had fun, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!